Okay, so now that we have created a site, the next step is to add multimedia content to make it more interesting. So lesson one here of creating multimedia will be how to add pictures. And it's pretty simple. There's a couple different ways. So here, let's click in our frame here, this third column. We'll click Insert, Image. Very simple. This window will pop up. You can either upload a picture or maybe previously uploaded pictures will show up. I uploaded a tulip picture earlier, so that's there, but I'm going to choose a new one. And I want some hydrangeas on my site. Okay, so now my hydrangea picture is uploaded, so I'd actually click that photo and it pulls it into the window. But this is a huge photo, it's a wallpaper, and obviously that's too big for the site. So if I click on it, the picture, I have my photo editing tools where I can make it the original size, which it is already, large, medium, or small. I can align it from on the left, the center, or the right. And I can also turn word wrapping on, which would mean the text will wrap around the picture, or I could turn it off. Okay, that's method number one of inserting a picture. The other way is, let's say we're on the internet and I'm looking for pictures of cells. So I just go to Google, type in cells, hit images for cells, and I got all sorts of pictures here. I like these blood cells, so I'll click on them. Copy image URL, and you should only use photos that you have rights to. If you are using them for a classroom webpage, it's usually not too much trouble. You can actually search for pictures through search.creativecommons.com if you want to find, or it might be creativecommons.org, if you want to find photos that people have said that you can use for free without any worry about copyright. So make sure you watch your copyright. But anyway, we'll pretend, since this is just a demo, this is a non-copyrighted photo. We copy the link, right click, copy image URL. So now I have the link to that picture. Try to find my page here and go to insert image again, but this time we click on the web address URL. Then we right click, hit paste, and now the photo will be embedded on your site. When you say something is embedded, it means it exists somewhere else but is also being placed on your site. So the advantage of this is a file that takes up size on a website, but it's taking up size on that other person's website, not yours. So that is the advantage of linking and embedding through a link with a photo. The disadvantage, let's say that photo gets deleted from that person's website, or their website gets redesigned, your photo is going to disappear because that link has been broken. So the best thing to do is make sure it's a good photo that's you've got the copyright to. You save it and then you upload it and embed it. It all depends on if you're worried about space or not. You could do a little bit of both that way. So that's real simple way to add photos to your website. Now there's one more that requires a few more steps, a little bit more advanced way. We'll click save this page. Let's say you want to make a photo gallery. Well, I created a new page called Photo Gallery. And once I'm in here, I can insert my gallery. So one cool tool, Google is full of free stuff. They have a photo sharing website called Picasa. And if you set up a Picasa account, then you can automatically embed your photos straight from your Picasa account right into your website by using the Picasa photo tool. Or even better, you can do a Picasa web slideshow. So it'll automatically make a slideshow from your Picasa. Let's say you do a field trip, you upload 20 pictures to your Picasa, then you can embed the photo gallery by clicking this tool. So let's go to my Picasa page real quick. It's usually set up already for you. If you already have a Google account, you can easily make it your Picasa account as well. So you can set that up. You can pause this video and set up a Picasa account if you like. I have mine set up, so I'm going to click upload. And I'll have to hit create new album. I'm going to put this Savannah pictures. We'll say it's a field trip. Describe trip to Savannah. Okay. And so here you could share. Let's say you only want it with a few friends. You can maybe password protect it by having a sign-in feature. But we don't need to worry about that. We're going to hit continue. And now this is all the info that we need. Now it'll let us choose some files. So I'm going to choose a couple pictures real quick. Here's some of my Savannah photos that I will upload. If you hit control, it'll let you click more than one if it's allowed, but on this side it's not. So I'm going to hit open, choose file again, open, choose file again, open. Okay, so I have 5 pictures in my slideshow. So I'll upload them. Okay, so now my photos are uploaded to my little gallery here, and there you can see there's a lot of different features here that you can explore within Picasa. Maybe we'll make a future lesson for that. We're not going to go into that right now. Okay, but then you have your 5 photos here, and up here you'll see the slideshow icon. You click slideshow, highlight your URL, copy it, and then we will go back. So then we go to our photo gallery page. We're going to go to Insert, Picasa Web Slideshow, and it'll paste the URL of your web album. Okay, and we'll hit save. And you'll see this little box shows up with the content. This is when Google has what they call gadgets. Anything that they embed into the website will have a little placeholder describing what it is, and you really can't see it until you hit preview. So we're going to click save. And you can see our slideshow fit into our website. So it's kind of a neat way to add some pictures, a photo gallery of a field trip, some artwork if you're an art teacher, and anything like that. Okay. Cool slideshow. So try that on your own. Set up a Picasa account and put a slideshow on your website. And then try to embed a normal photo from the web and upload a photo. So if you can do those 3 things, then you have mastered using photos on Google Sites.